Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna discuss about how you can fix slow boot time and make your PC faster. So let's get started and I will guide you how step by step. What you need to do, you need to go to the search toolbar and type system configuration. Click on it. Here go to startup tab, click on that, then open task manager. You will see here the list of programs that are running when you start your computer. So this is the list of programs I have, and here you will see which one is enabled and the startup impact. Now if it is put low, it means that the impact on your startup time is low. You have low, medium, and you have high. Now whichever of these programs that you do not need, you may disable them to remove any impact they have on your startup time. So let's say example, I want to disable smart audio. I will just select it and I will click on disable. It will be directly disabled and it will have no impact anymore on my when I start my machine. If I want to enable it again, so I just select it again and I click on enable and it will be enabled. In this way you can check whichever have a high or medium or even low startup impact. You can select them, and if you don't need them, disable them. Many programs you may have that you may not even know that they exist in your machine, so you can disable them. This is the first method. Now let's go and check the second method, how you can fix the slow boot time and make your machine faster. So the second method is that you need to go again to the search toolbar and type add or remove programs. It will open here. Click on it. This page will open and it will show you the list of all the programs that you are having in your machine. Now you can check these programs, maybe many you don't need them or you installed them long time ago and you don't need them anymore. So you can select on any of them. Let's say you want to select this one and then you can click on uninstall and it will be uninstalled. So even if programs you are not using, it may still slow your machine because it may be running in the background and you don't know about it. So check the programs, whichever you are not needing anymore, uninstall it and make your machine lighter so it can run faster. This is the second method. Now let's go to the third method. So now for the third method, what you need to do, you need to go again to the search toolbar and type adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. It will show here. Click on it, then go to advanced and then click on change. Here you need to look at the last part of this page or this window, which is here: total paging file size for all drives, minimum allowed. You will see a number, recommended another number, and currently allocated a third number. What you need to look at, if your currently allocated size is much more than the recommended size, then this may be the issue why your PC is slow. So what you need to do in this case, you need to change the currently allocated to be maximum as at the recommended size. Now if your currently allocated size is less than the recommended size, you don't need to do anything about it. But if it is much higher, then you need to make a change. In this case, you need to go and check automatically manage page filing size. If it is selected, deselect that and then go to maximum size and put it the same as the recommended size, which is here 1395. And for the initial size, just put it any number, let's say 50% of the maximum size. I'm gonna leave it at 700 and then click on set and then click on OK. The changes you have made require you to restart your computer before they can take effect. So now go ahead and restart your computer, and you will see that your computer is becoming faster. So this is the third method. Now let's go and try the fourth method to make your PC and your reboot time faster. For the fourth method, you need to update your graphic drivers. For that, you need to go to the Start menu, right-click on it, and then go to Device Manager, click on it. Here, you need to go to Display Adapter. You need to expand it, and then all softwares below Display Adapters, select them, right-click on it, and click on Update Driver. Search automatically for Update Driver software, so I'm going to click on that. Now select every software under display adapter and right click on it and click on update driver. Here it is written the best drivers for your device are already installed, so it's already installed. I don't need more updates for that, but if you need install the latest update. Once you have done that, restart your computer and your PC should get faster. Now this is the fourth method. Let's go now to the fifth method and the last method, which you can do to make your PC run faster. Now what you need to do, you need to turn off Linux terminal. Having it turned on has caused many issues to many users. Now I will guide you with the steps how you can turn it off. You need to go to the search toolbar and type Windows Features. Turn Windows features on or off will appear, click on it, and in this window scroll down until you see Windows subsystem for Linux. Now if it is selected, you need to deselect it and then click on OK, and this is how you can turn it off. After doing so, restart your computer and you will see that your computer is getting much faster. With that, I have come to the end of this video. I hope this video have helped you to make your PC faster. Subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.